everyone! Today I'm going to talk about plants from the past. Now, plants or animals from the past that died and their bones or maybe their body was buried down the soil and it becomes fossils. Sometimes fossils don't need to be the dead body. It can be the print of the dead body. So first, let's talk about fossils so that you can understand more. Fossils is the remains or imprint of a plant or an animal from a previous time. That means that that animal is from a long time ago. So, fossils usually come from animal that is extinct already. If that kind of animal is still living on Earth, we don't even need to find its fossils because scientists can learn about them they can even learn about them alive instead of like the fossil. So let's talk about the word extinct. Extinct means have no living members. That means that on Earth, that kind of animal don't have any animal that is the same like that. So one example for the word extinct is dinosaurs. As you know, dinosaurs are already extinct. They lived a long time ago, but they died already in some kinds of when the asteroid hit the Earth. And all those dinosaurs become extinct. That is why we don't see any of dinosaurs now. Okay, so now I will tell you something. Some fossils were made from plants that died and pressed into the mud. That means that the fossils don't need to be the bone or anything. It could be like the imprint of that thing. That means it's the picture printing, that kind of thing. And if that thing pressed into the mud and year by year that mud hardened itself, it will become fossil. And when that mud, which becomes a stone already, when that stone break out, we can see the fossil. That means it needs to be a long time ago. One kind of fossil is the petrified wood. Petrified wood is made when rocks replaces the parts that made up a plant. That means that this kind of wood, like this you can see here on the picture, it looks really similar to the wood. It looks like wood, and when we touch it, it doesn't feel like wood at all. And when we knock on it, it feels like it is like rock. So it is rock, but we called it wood instead, petrified wood. And this is made when rock replaces the part that made up that plant. By studying fossils, scientists have learned that megaliths have lived on Earth for a very long time. That means that this kind of flower has lived on Earth when the dinosaur is still living on Earth. And right now on Earth, we have a kind of plant that looks the same to this plant. Okay, so that's all about my presentation. Thank you for listening and goodbye.